Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a truly remarkable project, a fully documented source code repository for the legendary game, Elite, across multiple 8-bit platforms. Isn't that exciting?
Absolutely. I've always been fascinated by Elite's history. What platforms are we talking about here?
We're covering versions of Elite for the BBC Micro, Acorn Electron, Commodore 64, Apple II, and even the NES, all powered by the 6502 processor.
Wow, that's a broad range. And fully documented, that's a huge undertaking. What does that actually entail?
Precisely. It means every single line of the original 80s assembly code is not only present, but also meticulously annotated and explained. Think of it as an archaeological dig, but for software. Amazing, right?
Incredible! So is this the original source code from Ian Bell and David Braben?
Mostly, yes. The BBC microcassette version's source is directly from Ian Bell's personal website. However, the BBC microdisc, Acorn Electron, and BBC Master versions weren't publicly released, so the differences from the cassette version have been painstakingly reconstructed, a testament to the dedication of the project's creator.
I see. That's impressive reverse engineering. What about the NES version? That's particularly interesting given the limitations of the hardware.
The NES version is a real marvel. It showcases the ingenuity of the original programmers in squeezing a game of Elite's complexity onto such a limited platform. The site details the clever techniques used to overcome those hardware constraints, like splitting the game across multiple ROM banks. It's a masterclass in optimization.
So beyond just the source code, what else does this website offer?
Oh, so much more. There are over 120 deep dive articles that explore specific aspects of Elite's code, from the game loop to the 3D rendering techniques. It's a goldmine for anyone interested in retro game development or 6502 programming. There's even a section on Elite hacks, including a universe editor. It's a complete package.
An entire universe editor? That's incredible. I'm curious. Are there any limitations to this project? Anything the creator might have missed or could improve?
Well, it's a massive project, so some areas might benefit from further analysis. The creator actually has a to-do list on the site itself, highlighting areas where more in-depth commentary could be added. But honestly, the sheer scope of what's already been accomplished is breathtaking. It's a fantastic resource as it is.
Definitely. It sounds like a must-visit for anyone interested in game history, retro computing, or just plain amazing feats of programming. Thanks for highlighting this.
My pleasure. And remember, listeners, you can find this amazing resource at https://elite.bbselite.com/. Happy exploring, Commanders. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.